Alright, this is my updated bike check. Before this I had the FBM Heathen V2 frame, cracked it in 3 places, and snapped my cranks. So, start with the bars. I got Kink Wolf bars, 8.5 by 29 wide. Scotty Kramer grips, just threw them on because my other ones wore out. Odyssey power ends. Haro top wood stem. Little ghetto, who cares? Kink integrated headset in red. Kink Empire forks. Odyssey Vandero 2 front hub with black label peg, white spokes, and stock rim. I don't know how they lasted this long, but they did. And FAF 2.25 tire and a little red valve cap. Frame, I got a Fit Eddie Cleveland the original version, the V1, 21-inch top tube, integrated seat clamp, stock seat post, primo seat, amazing. Cranks, which I also bought with my frame, Fit cranks, 170 millimeters long, doesn't really matter. Shadow Scream sprocket, 28 tooth, KMC chain, animal bottom bracket in red, Odyssey, JC, Jim Stilinski or something like that. Pedals, they're awesome, I don't care. Primo mix, left-hand drive. Little, oh fuck. So got the black label peg. The hubs laced with spokes, no idea what they are, to the stock rim, somehow they lasted, and a Fit FAF 2.1 in the rear. And I'll do a little hub sound for you guys. Alright, that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.